Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the onboarding template in FHM, brought to you by Ally. This template is a must-have for learning and development and HR teams, designed to create a smooth and engaging onboarding experience for new hires. So, what is the onboarding template? It's a comprehensive tool that provides a clear framework for guiding new employees through their first days and beyond. It ensures a structured introduction to your company, covering everything from company policies to essential training activities. This template features various sections that you can customize based on your organization's needs. You can modify welcome activities, set up training schedules, and outline key milestones to align with your company culture and goals. For L&D teams, using this template means you can tailor the onboarding process to fit your specific training objectives. Customize the activities and learning goals to ensure they meet your organization's standards and provide a consistent experience for all new hires. HR teams can leverage this template to organize onboarding schedules and monitor progress effectively. It helps you set clear milestones and track new hire integration, ensuring that every new employee receives the support they need to succeed. Ready to transform your onboarding experience? Then start by opening the onboarding template in FHM. You'll see a clear, structured framework that guides you through the entire onboarding journey. First, customize the template to fit your organization's needs. Add specific activities, milestones, and delivery methods. Set clear goals and expectations for each onboarding phase. This ensures your new hires know what to expect and when. Use the template to track new hire progress. Monitor their journey and make sure each milestone is achieved on time. Collaborate with your HR and L&D teams by sharing the template. Gather feedback and ensure everyone is aligned on the onboarding process. Ready to enhance your onboarding strategy? Download the onboarding template in FHM today and give your new team members a fantastic start. Thanks for watching and happy onboarding!